This right here is money I made from YouTube long before I ever even had monetization enabled. This right here is a mini tripod. Now, you're not going to need a mini tripod for this strategy, but you are going to need a phone or a computer with an internet connection so you can make money from the website at www. Hey, welcome back. My name's Thomas Garetz, and like I said at the beginning, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube without even having monetization enabled. But before we get into that, if you're new here, what I do on this channel is I teach you the simple ways to make money online. So definitely make sure to go down below this video and hit that red subscribe button, and then hit the little bell next to it so I can send you an update and notify you every time I release a new video just like this one. Now check this out. This is money I made on YouTube in the last 38 days, and none of it is from YouTube monetization. And I can't guarantee you any results like these. These results are not typical, but I can guarantee you that if you don't follow the exact steps that I lay out in this video, then results like these will not be possible. So make sure you watch every second of this video so you can follow each of the steps. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps. The first step, I'm going to show you how it's even possible to make money like this on YouTube without monetization. Step 2, I'm going to show you the program that I use to make these $1,000 and even higher commissions from just one sale too. These are high ticket commissions, all with YouTube. And step 3, I'm going to show you towards the end of the video how you can actually partner with me, and I can walk you through exactly how to do exactly what I'm doing step by step. Now, before we start, just know that this is exactly what I do in my personal business. And for the strategy that I do on YouTube, I personally record my video with my face in it because I think that's the best way to build a lasting brand on YouTube. And of course, there's ways to do it without showing your face, which I'll show you in a second. But this video, I'm going to more or less show you what I personally do. So if you're not into showing your face on YouTube, you can check out this playlist right here. It's a full playlist of how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. But like I said, here's one of the channels, and there's many of them like this, where he makes videos about how to make money online and he doesn't show his face. So there's ways to do it. I just don't think it's the best way. But the reason I'm making this video is because I just think it's actually super important. Because honestly, the reason why most people don't start YouTube is because they think they can't make money until they get monetized. And I'll be honest, this was actually what almost stopped me from starting on YouTube. I'm like, what's the point if I can't make money until I get monetized? Which is a terrible mindset, but I know it's the truth because it's what I thought. But that was until I found out what affiliate marketing was. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically you're just an online middleman. All you do is you recommend products, and if someone clicks on your recommendation, also called your affiliate link, and they purchase, you earn a commission. And there's affiliate programs for just about every industry and every business out there. Even Amazon, they actually have the largest affiliate program in the world. So that's how I've been able to monetize my channel long before ever being monetized on YouTube. And what I do is I create videos just like this, tutorial videos, talking heads, stuff like that, and I provide value. And then if people want to get into the program that I promote that has taught me how to make money online, you can go do that with the first link in the description, and then I'll earn a commission. And that's my main affiliate program. But trust me, all affiliate programs are not created equally whatsoever. And this is the program that I promote, my main program, and this is what started it all for me. And the way it starts is with a 15-day challenge right here, and you can see if we go here, these are the commissions I showed you earlier. I refresh it, still there. I'll refresh it again so you can see. I'll click the refresh button instead of doing Control R, so you can see right there, 6,200 the last 30 days. And this is all with YouTube. So I'll blur out all their information obviously, but I tag every one of my affiliate links so you can see right here, YouTube, 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 one with TikTok, but it's almost all YouTube. Okay, so this is legitimately what I do. And like I said, it all started with this simple $7 15-day business challenge. All right. And that's the first link in the description below, like I said. But for me in my business, I struggled for 6 months, even a little longer, honestly, because this was before I started affiliate marketing. I struggled for an entire year. But once I started affiliate marketing, I struggled for 6 months. I didn't make a single dollar, and I spent probably $6,000 on courses, mentorship, and all that stuff. And I think about 4,000 more or 5,000 more just on software and other stupid courses. Like, it was ridiculous. So it was completely awful. But once I found this program, everything changed. Shortly after starting to promote this program, I made my first sale. That was awesome, right? When you have never made a sale and you make your first sale, that's like, oh, wow, it actually works, right? But then I got my first $1,000 sale, and shortly after, my second $1,000 sale. And this is me when I had 200 subscribers showing up on the leaderboard, and I never thought this was possible. So this program, obviously, you saw my results lately. It's been insane. On YouTube, my growth has been ridiculous, right? So it's very insane still a little bit, but I've gained the knowledge and I have a proven blueprint that allows me to make commissions like this while I sleep and get leads and sales every single day on autopilot. And this program is great. Like you get the $7 challenge, or if you're promoting it, you sell the $7 challenge, which is very simple to do, right? Anyone will pay $7. But usually to make high ticket commissions, you got to get on the phone with people and close them. And if you're not interested in doing that, this is the program for you, because they do all the heavy lifting for you. They close them on the high ticket sales on the back end, right? So that's why it's so powerful, this program, especially for beginners. But just because they do that for you doesn't mean you can just start the program and all of a sudden money's just going to start pouring in from doing no work at all, right? This requires work because you still have to get people to see the $7 challenge, right? And that goes for any program, any business you're promoting, or even a brick and mortar business. You need people, you need traffic to make money with any business. And YouTube, in my opinion, and my experience, is by far the best way to do that, especially for this program. And that's why I love YouTube. I mean, I was able to earn all these commissions prior to ever being monetized, right? But you still have to learn how, right? And that's the hardest part. So many people struggle with YouTube. And because I've struggled with addiction and struggled so much in my life, actually having some success with YouTube and affiliate marketing, I felt that it's my calling to show and teach the knowledge I've gained through tens of thousands of dollars and years of trial and error to a small group of people, because I just want to help you succeed. And that's when I announced my program that I'm starting, High Ticket YouTube Secrets. And I've thought about creating a program for a long time, and I was just going to build it out and have it in my description for anyone to purchase. But that's not how I want to do it, because I've bought a lot of courses where you just get no real support. You just buy the course and they expect you to do whatever, and they're probably going to sell you on some other software and all this useless stuff you don't need. So I've decided to do a beta group and do the training live in a private group setting for only 5 people, okay? And the reason why I want to do it with such a small group is because I actually want to help you get results. And when you have 10, 15, 20, 30 people in a group setting, it's a lot harder to give one-on-one support and customize the training for specifically what you need, right? And inside the training, I'm going to be teaching specifically how to start and grow on YouTube, and truly just give away all my secrets that have allowed me to make $6,000 in the last 30 days from YouTube, get 9,000 subscribers in the last 90 days, and absolutely changed my life. And I want to do the same for you. And this isn't going to be like anything you've ever seen, or like all these other courses where the gurus have you sign up for a super expensive course and then the first thing they have you do is buy mentoring for $5,000 or pay for a bunch of expensive software that you don't need. So I'm going to not only show you exactly how I've been able to do what I do, but do it the way, if I started over and had the knowledge I have now, the way I would actually do it, right? And there's a way to start and run your business on YouTube for basically free. And that's what the gurus don't want you to know, because they want you to sign up for all the software and make that passive income off you. But that's not what it's about for me. It's not about the money. It's about impact and truly helping the change in your life that I've got and mine from YouTube and high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you are interested at all and you want to be part of the beta group and one of the founding members, go to highticketyt.com and you can learn more on that page. You can just read through it, and then there's a short application at the bottom. And if you don't believe that I actually do what I'm talking about, again, here's some results for my last 28 days on YouTube, and I already showed you these for my last 90 days, and some of the commissions right here, and some of what people say about my content right here. If that's not enough. So again, if you want to learn how to start a real business and build a real following of people that love you and want to see your content and will purchase from you, go to highticketyt.com and apply. And then if I think you'd be a good fit, we can schedule a strategy session and then see if this is something you want to do. Because these results require work, right? And I don't want you to spend $1 if I don't think you'll put in the work or I don't think you can actually get results from this program. But YouTube has absolutely changed my life in so many different ways. I could honestly say it probably saved my life, because it seems like just yesterday I was struggling with a crippling heroin addiction. I survived 13 overdoses and I'm still here today. I can't tell you how or why I'm so fortunate to be here today, but I can tell you I'm grateful. And not only am I 4 years clean today, but I have a thriving business. And again, it's because of YouTube. So if you truly want a better future for yourself and you're willing to put in the work, I'm here for you. Go to highticketyt.com, fill out your application, and let's make history. And if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments down below. I answer them all. But even if you don't apply and you got some value out of this video, make sure to smash the like button. It really helps me out. And that's all I got. Till next time.